Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gallabox tutorial series. Do you sometimes just want a super quick way for people to connect with you on WhatsApp, without all the fuss? Well, that's where WhatsApp magic links come in. So, what are they exactly? They are a special link that people can click, and it instantly opens a chat with you on WhatsApp without asking or saving the business's number. But why should you be creating one? Well, here's the cool part. Businesses using WhatsApp magic links have seen a whopping 27% increase in customer engagement and a 19% boost in lead generation. Plus, it makes sharing your WhatsApp contact info a breeze, perfect for social media, email signatures, or anywhere else you want to connect. It's seamless, easy, and drives results. Let's dive in. My peer is going to show you how to create one in Gallabox, step by step.
Start by heading to the homepage of your Gallabox account. On the top right corner, you'll see a card titled WhatsApp Magic Link. Found it? Great! Now, click on Create New right below your channel name. A pop-up will appear. This is where the fun begins. Add a custom message that will greet your customers when they click the link. Don't forget to make it friendly and engaging. Emojis are always a nice touch. You can also customize the link itself with a keyword that matches your business. Once you're happy with it, click on Create Now. And just like that, your magic link is ready. Now that you've got your link, you can share it everywhere. Copy it to post on social media. Or download the QR code to include in emails, messages, your website, or even at events. It's all about making it easy for people to reach you. Need to make changes later? Just click on the little pencil icon next to your magic link. Update the message or tweak the link itself, then hit Update Now. But here's a quick tip. If you've already shared the link somewhere, make sure to replace it with the updated version so everything stays smooth for your customers. And that's it. Your WhatsApp magic link is ready to help you connect faster and better with your audience. Go ahead and give it a try. You'll love how easy it makes things. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Gallabox tips.